One small positive thought in the morning can change your whole day. Most of the problems in life come because of two reasons. We act without thinking, and we keep thinking without acting. Self confidence is a superpower. Once you start to believe in yourself, magic starts happening. Confidence doesn't come when you have all the answers, but it comes when you are ready to face all the questions. One of the hardest things to do in life is letting to go what you thought was real. Life is not qualified by fluent English, branded clothes, on a rich lifestyle. It is measured by the number of faces who smile when they hear your name. A beautiful dress can change the personality, however. A beautiful behavior can change the whole life. Change your dress as often as you like, but wear your best behavior permanently. Two words that can change the way we approach our life. Can I or I can? Think and choose the right option and create a difference in your life. Be happy, be positive, stay healthy, stay blessed. Good morning. Have a wonderful day.